Himalayan rock salt peri peri chicken. It's an amalgamation of succulent chicken pieces with creamy marination and Tata Salt Rock Salt. First and foremost, slice up the chicken. Now, let the chicken infuse and absorb and become one with the peri peri masala. For the perfect marination, pour on a dollop of curd and let crushed Tata Salt Rock Salt fall elegantly upon it to maximize flavor and preserve its tender moisture. Meanwhile, we let the duo of a hot pan and olive oil become the catalyst for grilled perfection. Then, we delicately lay on the chicken. Let it sizzle, ever so gently. At last, the grand finale, the second dash of flavor-enhancing Tata Salt Rock Salt. A single leaf of parsley for the final touch. It's ready to be devoured.